Let's see how to remove underline in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to reformat our text to its original form. And that means that we want to remove this underline right here. And so to do that, first highlight your text. And the next step is to unclick or unselect this underline option right here. And when you click that, that should automatically remove the underline in your selected text. Now, another way or a faster way that you can do this is instead of manually clicking the underline icon right there, you can just highlight your text and click on Control U, Control plus U on your keyboard, and that should remove the underline as well. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.